guys?
Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the EVS. God damn, I gotta stop doing that. There's something up there. But I am Haywood, aka Renaissance Man. This is Sean right here. Right there he is. Yo, if you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button. Join the EVS crew. Gotta go. Okay, gotta go. Yeah, I think that'd be cool.
So is this your first Bronco? Look how many new colors they have. Yeah, look how many oranges they have now. Because of the McLarens. How many fucking oranges they have? Different shades.
These three look almost identical.
Right? Almost identical. It's crazy.
Oh my god, I think this is my Jeep setup. Look at this. Look at this grill, guys. Look how freaking mean that looks. I love the hex design, and they still kept the 7 slits up top. That is so cool. Yo, what do you think of this grill and bumper, bro?
Wait. What? Flows into the fender.
Yes, that's why I like that.
And then the fender comes up to the hood.
And there's vents. So this is a carbon fiber film that they printed a graphic on top of that. So not only are you getting a carbon fiber film, but you're also getting graphics on top. So it's like a 2-in-1. That's crazy.
It's the new Corvette, guys.
What do you think, bro?
It's really aggressive. I really like it. I'm not gonna lie.
The angles on the hood is super aggressive.
Wow, I like the blue.
Right?
I like the color.
Yeah, the blue is sick. Back is super aggressive. Look at the back. Look how tall like those like headrest humps are.
Right?
I like the exhaust tips on this. It's like little square cones becoming suit. Well, it's gray.
Well,
so
it's gray, but you know how everyone likes those gloss black hits. Everyone hates. Some people hate those gray. I like the gloss black. So
that's true. That's true. Yeah, the interior is sick. All the buttons are on that line right there for the most part.
I'm not gonna lie though, I hate how all the buttons go up in one area. It looks like it's very hard to control.
I actually like that.
You do? I mean, it's just a lot of buttons. Okay, I love this, guys. Flat bottom on the top and on the bottom.
Yo, those wheels are different.
Hard top.
Okay, so this is a hard top, and the blue one was a convertible. Okay.
I'm kind of liking the convertible more.
I like the seats. The seats look really cool. Yeah, I like the red more. So much sportier, guys. Oh.
They're doing the camera in the back as your rearview mirror now.
I like that. We're at Exotic Racing now. In case you didn't know, racing is life. Anything that happens before or after is just waiting. It's right there. Vorsteiner Volta Model 3. This is the first time, guys, I'm seeing the Tesla kit, the full Volta kit in person. Take a look at this, guys. All right, so we got the front lip, which we have right at the shop, and these are the new VFF 113 wheels. These are cool. It's like a mesh design, but it still kind of has like a 5-star look to it. It's like in this silver metallic finish. I like it. It looks good. Ooh. Hey, look, they wrapped this.
They wrapped it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's like a silver now?
Carbon fiber side skirts from the Volta kit. Okay, cool. We already saw this before, right? Because we have that. That's cool how they did that. And then the rear diffuser, guys. What do you guys think of this? It actually doesn't look as aggressive as I thought it would be in person. It does stick out a little bit, right? I say this probably sticks out a good, maybe 3.5, 4 inches, possibly. But it's actually, guys, shut the f up, man. I'm trying to do a review here. Isn't as aggressive as I thought it would be. I'm actually really happy with it now that I see that in person.
That was super dope.
Now, Vorsteiner's having a meet here, so we're here hanging out.
This is Where did y'all do that? That was funny.
I swipe up! Dude, I want to play this, man. What are you doing here?
I think I broke the machine. I don't know what happened.
What did you do?
What is this? Are we playing freaking Minecraft? I'm gonna turn this. I'm just gonna close everything and break it. I just want to play the formula game. Like, it won't let me.
Here are the new wheels. Oh, that's a really cool finish. It's like matte brush red, up with a slight bronze hue with a slight bronze like two-tone finish up top. That's kind of cool. Whoa, this is crazy. This is a really intricate mesh design. Look at that. Look at all the cutouts and all the details in this one. This is like a 6-spoke design that's still chunky, but it's split. There's a lot of cutouts to save some weight. I like this. This is kind of cool. That's a clean mesh design. This is the new EFF 113, so that's pretty cool. It's like a star shape. It almost has a directional look to it. The star is going right, you know? Does it look like that? Alright, we are doing some shopping now.
On level 2. Level 2 at the top.
No, we were just there. Holy.
We're visiting from Houston. Scan the QR codes on all the products, and it tells you the prices and the sizes the item comes in. Sick. Where should I buy?
This place is freaking sick, guys. Look at this.
So you zoom in, and then all of a sudden, click on the link, and you'll get a price.
Here it is, right there.
That is so cool. So we found a pool table in Vorsteiner's party. So we decided, you know what, we're gonna play pool, but we're gonna have some fun with it.
Are we allowed?
Tyler, dude.
We're EVS Motors. We can do whatever we want.
In case you haven't noticed, bro, we have a vlog channel now. We do what the f we want to do.
Everybody here noticed you. Everybody. Did you see it? They were like, everybody was too scared to talk to you.
I just want to fit in. I just want to be a normal kid. I just want to fly. Okay, here's the deal. If we get every ball in and you guys don't get a single one, both of you need to take a shot.
He's gonna take it. Tyler.
Oh! Hey, hold on. What is that? Oh, there's vomit on your sweater.
Oh, how?
Okay. Cheers. Nice.
Is he about to clear the table?
No, he's not. Bro.
HAYWOOD'S?
He didn't call it.
I did.
How was the drive out, by the way? Yeah.
Oh!
Oh, crap. Alright, go get it.
That's a shot. Boom.
We're starting. EVS Motors on YouTube.
Oh.
God, he's
Uh-oh.
Pow. Pow. Number 4.
How do you feel about this? Are you excited? Confident? Scared?
I'm just here to have fun. May not be putting in my 2 days notice.
Bro, okay, your thoughts. Who do you think is gonna win this? Who's gonna take this home?
Looks like Ted might take it home, but once all the solids are gone, then
No. We got 10 songs.
Oh, no.
I don't have any shot.
I don't know about this, bro.
Amazing, bro. Oh, amazing. Oh. Oh.
Oh.
No.
Wait. Yo.
Hit it!
Oh.
Oh!
Yeah, that helps. What was that? Wait. Oh.
I'm pretty sure the people in that other room.
Back up.
Oh.
What?
Go.
Ted, you realize now I can't get my thing clean.
Look at this. Support. There we go. Oh. Just dropped him.
How do you feel?
I feel like I'm more of a part of the EVS crew now.
How do you feel?
I
feel like I just got hustled.
Alright guys, that is it for the vlog. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, join the EVS crew. We want to work on your car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. Let us know what you want, what you need, we'll take care of you. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.